The Time Machine 2 cloud-based alarm data logger, sometimes called the TM2, can be mounted on an 1.5-inch discharge line using the mounting hardware and band clamps supplied. Unscrew the band clamps to open them, and insert the band clamp through the mounting hardware. Squeeze the clamp with one hand so that the end opposite the driver slides into the sleeve holding the driver. Turn the driver clockwise so the threads on the driver engage the slots on the clamp. Continue turning the driver until the clamp tightens around the pipe securely. Do not over-tighten. The Time Machine 2 cloud-based alarm data logger can also be mounted to a flat surface such as masonry, plywood, or a sheetrock wall by removing the discharge mounting hardware and using the mounting holes located at the top and bottom end plates of the TM2. Install the TM2 data transmission cable by connecting the cable to the 8-pin data port located at the bottom of the TM2. Connect the 12-pin data cable to the data port located at the top right of the Ultrasump 4 charger, marked 12-pin data port time machine. The relative humidity and temperature sensor comes with a 6-foot cable and can be mounted to the cord captain. Connect the relative humidity temperature sensor to the 12-pin port located at the bottom left of the TM2. Wrap the wire around the cord captain and allow the sensor to dangle a few inches. The relative humidity and temperature sensor can mount on flat surfaces such as sheetrock, plywood walls, floor joists, etc. Mounting the relative humidity and temperature sensor to masonry walls or attaching it directly to the sump discharge line is not recommended, as it may cause variations in accuracy with the relative humidity or temperature readings. The TM2 has 120-volt outputs located at the bottom of the unit, and they are marked primary AC output and secondary AC output. When installing a TM2 in conjunction with a TripleSafe sump pump system, plug the Zoller M53 pump into the primary output plug, and then plug the Zoller M98 pump into the secondary output plug. Be sure that each of the pumps are plugged into their respective outputs so the data will be accurate. The Time Machine 2 cloud-based data logger also has two 120-volt inputs located at the top of the unit, and they are marked primary AC input and secondary AC input. The primary AC input should be plugged into the piggyback plug of the Ultrasump 4 charger, then plugged into the primary dedicated circuit, and the secondary input should be plugged into the second dedicated circuit. Knee in all wiring using cable ties and the cord captain as you go. During initial setup, always be sure to follow installation connection instructions. Installing foremen or service technicians using a tablet or mobile device should use the Time Machine 2 cloud-based alarm data logger application in admin mode to set installation dates and to change the names of installed components so that they're easily identifiable on future maintenance visits. There's no need for installers or service technicians to create an account or log in. Homeowner functions are limited, and no login is necessary for installers or technicians in the field. If installers have not gone into admin mode to set installation dates, at the very least, the installer should confirm that the operating properly light is green when the battery is connected to the Ultrasump charger. When installing the TM2 with an Ultrasump system, the TM2 will be powered if battery only is connected. You must make sure that the TM2 and both 120-volt plugs are plugged in properly before leaving and the operating properly light is green. If the TM2 is being installed as a standalone system to monitor any two AC powered devices, like a SaniDrive for example, as well as relative humidity and temperature readings, the TM2 must be plugged into a 120-volt outlet. Once power is restored, the unit will reconnect to Wi-Fi automatically once Wi-Fi becomes available. Additional application setup videos for the Time Machine 2 cloud-based alarm data logger are available for both Android and iPhone and can be found on FileHive.